Deep within the Great Rift Valley of East Africa lies a place of immense significance for our understanding of human origins, Olduvai Gorge. This vast canyon carved by time and the elements has yielded countless treasures for archaeologists and paleoanthropologists. It's a place where the story of our ancestors is etched into the very layers of the earth. And recently, it has offered up another astonishing discovery, a collection of 27 bone tools crafted an astounding 1.5 million years ago. These tools, unearthed at a site known as the T69 complex, are not just old, they're revolutionary. They predate any other evidence of systematic bone tool production by over 1 million years, pushing back the timeline for this advanced technology. This discovery sends ripples of excitement through the scientific community, challenging our preconceptions about the capabilities of early humans. It's a stark reminder that the story of our past is constantly being rewritten. These tools, fashioned from the sturdy limb bones of large mammals like elephants and hippos, speak volumes about the ingenuity of their creators. These early humans, faced with the challenges of survival in a harsh and unforgiving environment, exhibited remarkable resourcefulness. They looked beyond the readily available materials like stone and wood, recognizing the potential of bone as a durable and versatile tool-making material. The techniques employed in creating these bone tools provide further insight into the cognitive abilities of early humans. The tools bear the hallmarks of knapping, a sophisticated process involving the careful chipping away of small flakes to form sharp edges. This technique, more commonly associated with stone tool production, suggests a level of dexterity and forethought that was previously unattributed to hominins of this era. The discovery of bone tools crafted using knapping techniques raises intriguing questions about the transfer of knowledge and skills between different materials. Did these early humans apply existing stone knapping techniques to bone, or did they develop specialized methods specifically for working with this new material? The answer, yet to be fully understood, holds the potential to illuminate the pathways of technological innovation in our distant past. The presence of knapping techniques, characteristic of the Acheulean period, a later technological phase, further deepens the mystery. The Olduvai bone tools, dating back to the transition between the Oldowan and Acheulean ages, suggest that these advanced methods were applied to bone earlier than previously thought. This revelation challenges the traditional linear view of technological progression, hinting at a more complex and nuanced development of tool-making skills among early humans. While the exact purpose of these bone tools remains shrouded in the mists of time, their shape and sharp edges offer tantalizing clues. Researchers speculate that they may have been used for a variety of tasks, including processing animal carcasses, a crucial activity for survival in the prehistoric world. The sturdy nature of bone would have made these tools particularly effective for tasks such as skinning, dismembering, and marrow extraction. Imagine, if you will, the scene at Olduvai Gorge 1.5 million years ago. A group of early humans huddled around the carcass of a large mammal, carefully employ these bone tools to access the nutrient-rich meat and marrow within. The tools, products of their intelligence and adaptability, are essential for their survival in this challenging environment. However, the potential uses of these bone tools extend beyond the realm of subsistence. Their sharp edges may have also been employed for working wood, shaping other materials, or even for defense against predators. The versatility of bone as a material, combined with the ingenuity of early humans, opens up a world of possibilities for the functions of these ancient tools. The discovery of the Olduvai bone tools is not just a remarkable find, it's a paradigm shift. It forces us to reconsider our understanding of early human intelligence and capabilities. It demonstrates that our ancestors possessed a greater level of cognitive sophistication than previously recognized, capable of conceiving of and creating complex tools from a variety of materials. This discovery also has far-reaching implications for future research. It highlights the importance of re-examining past bone assemblages from archaeological sites around the world. What other treasures might lie hidden, overlooked, or misinterpreted, awaiting rediscovery with this newfound understanding of early bone tool technology? The Olduvai bone tools serve as a potent reminder that the quest to understand our past is an ongoing journey, full of surprises and the potential to rewrite history. The story of human evolution is a tapestry woven from countless threads of discovery. The Olduvai bone tools, meticulously crafted 1.5 million years ago, add a vibrant and unexpected strand to this intricate narrative. They stand as a testament to the ingenuity, adaptability, and enduring spirit of our early ancestors, urging us to delve deeper into the mysteries of our shared past.